I'm gonna make 3 slots. Make lines with a creaser. It's not necessary, but if you do, it looks more neat. After that, finish edges with Tocono or edge coat or dyeing agent. There is a video about edge finishing on my channel. Refer to that. Apply glue. Attach it. Punch stitching holes. And then stitch. Do the same with the second piece. Make scratch to stick well. Attach third piece. I designed the height with 50mm, but if the leather is thicker than usual, sometimes it needs more than 50mm, so I leave a little room. Cut off the extra. I think this type is the most frequently used one. Very simple, but it can be thick as a whole. So thickness is very important here. And also, if you design a wallet that has more than 3 to 4 card slots, the final product can be very thick. The second one, you need some fabric. And this part should be very thin because I'm gonna fold it. Apply glue here. Attach the fabric and fold the leather. From here, do the same with the first one. You can add a stitch here. In this case, unlike the first one, no worries about thickness because there is fabric in it. You can add as many card slots as you want, so this can be used to make long wallet. You wanna find some strong glue that bonds the leather and fabric well. The third one, make cuts for card slots. Holes at the end of the cut to make room. Now we have enough room to put cards. Make lines. Also, it's not necessary. Finish edge. Apply glue this side and attach it to the leather. I'll show you one more time. It doesn't take much space, so useful when we make a long wallet, like when we need lots of card slots. The thing is, you need to find the glue that holds the leather and fabric together well. Some glue can hold the leather together well, but not with leather and fabric. So you have to try it first. Subscribe my channel and share some information. Thank you for watching.